question number 350, intersection of two arrays. So given two arrays, write a function to compute their intersection. In example 1, we can see that the common elements among nums1 and nums2 is 2, 2. So in this case, we simply have to return 2, 2. In the second example, we can clearly see the common elements among nums1 and nums2 is 4, 9. So we have to return 4, 9 in this case. Now we'll have a look over how we are going to solve this. Now what we have to do first is to iterate over nums1 and store it in the hash map. As we have seen that it contains element 1 and 2 with a frequency of 2 each. So the map will contain key as 1 and its frequency as 2 and key as 2 with its frequency as 2. And now what we are going to do is iterating over the second array, that is nums2, and after iterating, if array value is contained in map, that is, in this case 2 is present in the map with the key, so we have to decrement its value by 1 and store it in a list. If array value is contained in map, then decrement the value of the key value pair by 1. Now when we are iterating over the second array, there is our first element 2, then we are simply decrementing the value of the key 2 in the map and storing it in an array. Now similarly, if we are iterating over the second element, that is again 2, we are again decrementing the 2's value by 1 and storing the keys as in the array. Now we'll look over the second example. As we are provided with the nums1 as 4 with the frequency of 1, 9 again with the frequency of 1 and 5 again with the frequency of 1. So in this case, while iterating over the nums2 second array, when we are at the first element, we can see that we are having this key in the map. So we are simply decrementing its value and storing it in an array. Here it will come 9. Now in the second case, after iterating over the second element, we can see here that we have again decremented the 4's value by 0 by 1 and storing it in the array. Now after iterating to the third element, we can see that 9 is no more having any value in the map, that is, it is having the value 0, so we cannot further decrement its value. So in this case, we are not going to change the array and it will remain as it is. And similarly, we are going to iterate over the whole array and find the common elements amongst the map and decrement its value. Now we look over the code for this question. Now first we are going to define a map, hash map, and a list of result which will hold on our result. Now iterating over the nums1 for storing it in the map and checking the condition. If it already contained, then we are simply going to increment its value, and if it is not containing in the map, then we are going to assign its value by 1. Then we are going to iterate over the nums2 array and check if it is contained in the map. If yes, then we are going to check if its value is greater than 0 or not. And if both the conditions satisfy, then we are going to add it in the result and decrement the value by 1. Now as we can see that the return type for this is int array, so we have to store the result with the type array. And we are simply going to return the ARR and get the result for this question. So the test case has been passed, so now we are going to see if it is passing all the test cases or not. So here we can see that the solution has been accepted, and here is the code for the question. Thank you.